Not bad. There's that. I love them. Cute though. There we have it. And there's those. Look at that heel. I like them. Ow, they already hurt.
Skip2mylou, my darling.
Hi guys, it's Lou. We're gonna do a little shoe haul today. Yeah, I got some shoes in the mail and I was only really looking for one good pair of summer shoes. So hopefully one of those works. Or 2 or 3. Now I've had some of these boxes for over a week, but I wanted them all to get here so that I could open them with you and, you know, see which ones we like. So we may as well start from the top. This one I bought on Amazon. I don't know what's in it because there are actually a couple from Amazon. These are for Ava. Yeah, she gets a pair. Let's look at them anyway. She's 14, so she doesn't get heels, but I thought that these were pretty cute for a kid, you know. And let's let an adult try them on. Okay, and just so you know, what I'm wearing today makes absolutely no sense, but we're not really looking at that. We're looking at what's on my feet. Cuter than I thought. Not bad. But yeah, I'm wearing sweatpants and a blouse. I'm not going anywhere. All right, now for the good stuff. So I must tell you before I get started, I had a particular shoe and a particular look in mind for the summer. I bought both tan colored and black colored shoes because I wouldn't mind having one of each, but they all look very similar. They are, I think, all wedges. I enjoy wedges, but the main reason for choosing the shoes that I did is because I wanted a comfortable shoe with a heel. And I thought that was impossible, but I was with my friends in Vegas and we were doing a lot of walking, and one friend didn't bring any flat shoes, just heels, and walked everywhere on those. And I said, don't those hurt your feet? She said, no. I got the brand and I looked it up. These are from eBay. I'm gonna wait on that. Like I said, black, tan, and some metallic, because I feel like metallic goes with just about everything. I know which ones these are. Yeah, pretty much all cork wedges is what I got. Should I try all of them on or just show you? I guess I should show you. So that's what that looks like. Not too high of a heel, kind of strappy, and the toe is always important to me. It has to kind of skew off to the side like your toes do, or like my toes do. Ta-da! Cute! Cute shoes. I enjoy these. Let's feel them. I read all the reviews on all of these shoes before I purchased them, just to make sure that I wasn't buying something that would just, you know, remain in my closet unworn because it hurt so badly. But these are very cushiony. They are, it says Tuscany by Easy Street, made in Italy. Prices. I may put them down somewhere how much I paid for them or how much they retail for. Yeah, retail. That's more fun because you guys know I love a bargain and I probably got one. Okay, these were off Amazon. Those last ones were off Amazon too. Okay, these are Clark's. These are what I started with looking at. This is what my girlfriend said she had purchased. There's already a foot in it. So the first ones that I showed you that were Ava's, size 8. These are 7s. I believe, oh God, when you guys look on Amazon for shoes, first of all, greatest place for shoes. I had no idea. I just didn't see Amazon as a place to buy shoes. But when I was looking for these shoes, and a lot of them are from Amazon, the price difference is, you know, say Clark's wedges, $30. And you go, oop, $30, what the hell? And you click on it. Now it says $30 to $200. And whatever the size, whatever the color, the price changes according to, I think, how popular they are. These were pretty popular. I bought these, and you know, on Amazon you can see what your orders are, and it says buy again. I clicked on buy again. They were back to 130. Yeah, see, my foot just is right at home in this shoe, even though it's size 7, which is the smallest that I like to wear. And I only wear 7s in open-toed shoes. If I'm going to get a closed-toed shoe, it's going to be, well, especially like a flat, 8. Maybe even 8.5, just so that I can swim around in there a little bit. I I should just show you before I put them on, shouldn't I? Not long ago, would I have looked at these and said, ooh, nurse shoes, orthopedic style, no thanks. But now, I'm in love. So it's got some detail in the leather, not too high of a heel, very, very cushioned insole. It's just what I want, is a heel. I'm tired of wearing flat shoes just because they're the only comfortable ones. Ta-da! I love them. Let me go walk around and see how I feel about it. Love them. So there's my black pair. I feel like the ones I tried on before this would be for dressier occasions, and these I would wear with jeans and long skirt. Okay, this one. This package I actually got first. It is from DSW. DSW, when I walked into it, it was very overwhelming. It just seemed like just this, well, it was a warehouse of shoes, but just too much. Couldn't handle it. So I looked online and I bought these first, like I said, along with another pair that I absolutely know I'm not going to like. But I bought them anyway. Why? Because they were on crazy sale from like $200 something to $25. But you know what that is? You're not saving. If you're not going to wear them, you're just wasting that money. These are Jack Rogers. Apparently very expensive shoes. Raffia type stuff on it. A little bit too weird for me. The gold right here. I mean, it is a pretty shoe. We'll just try one on. What size did I get? I got a 7. Okay, I'm not even going to buckle it. But there's that. Cute shoe. There it is. It's going back. One of those, I don't know what I was thinking. Bye-bye. Okay, these I was very excited about at first until I purchased all the other ones. I've had a pair exactly like these, and I got rid of them because they were too high. Kind of like my last boyfriend. See, I call these baskety shoes. Don't love this part with the, I mean, it's supposed to be comfortable. That's probably why that's there. It is why that's there. Cork heel. They're B.O.C, which is, I believe, a brand that is comfortable. Yeah. Super cute. Yeah, I had a pair very similar, but they were high and not comfortable. There we have it. Cute baskety shoes. I like those. These. I believe I will keep those. Trying on shoes is hard work. That's why I take my work home with me. Because I can try them on in sweatpants and a blouse. I can smell these already. These are called Naughty Monkey, Bad Monkey. I was excited about these. The thing I was not excited about, see, it's got a very similar heel to the Clarks. See? But these are wood. And that doesn't give you much give. And they smell weird. They're kind of hippie, which I liked. I was a hippie in my past life, I think. Or the present one. 7.5. That's my size. Cute, though. I don't know. I thought I didn't like them, but now I might. I know that these retail for a lot. And I did not pay a lot for them. But I got a steal on these. But again, that doesn't mean I should keep them. Amazon again. These are very similar to what I've been going for, the look that I've been going for. Really bad smell. But look at these. The brand is Sbicca, Sbicca. I don't know. Vintage something. I can't read it, but that's what that looks like. And this is another wooden heel. So I think I bought shoes blindly a little bit. But I made sure that, you know, Amazon's great. Oh, fuck, I can't even get it on. Amazon has something called Prime Wardrobe, and you don't even have to pay for the item until you try it on at home and decide that you want to keep it, and then you keep it, and then you pay for it. Ow, they already hurt. Cute looking, but I'll show you. This right here is cutting into my foot, and this is too tight because I have cankles. Thick ankles. That's what that stands for. I know what cankles stands for. No. It smells very like gasoline, plasticky. Okay, this is from Nordstrom. I paid the most for these shoes. And they were only, oh no, I didn't pay the most for these shoes. I paid the most for the Clarks. These were $80. This shoe haul, I believe it's going to be titled, you know, shoe haul, but this is over $1,000 worth of shoes, which if you've been watching Sex and the City, which I have not, but I did, that's like one of Carrie's pairs of shoes. So in the scheme of things, not so much, but to me, up to $100. These are Treasure and Bond. And I actually bought these because a blogger or bloggers raved about them. They were saying how incredibly comfortable they were and how they went with everything. Ta-da! They are higher than I had anticipated. I mean, look at that heel. I got 7.5. It's on. Look at that heel. That's a big heel. Oh no. Okay, 2 left. Amazon. I told you that they would look similar. These also are very high. But I like the color. It's camel. And they slip right on. Not bad. They're really light. Whoa! I like them. I think I'm keeping them. I like this guy. His name's Sam. Edelman. These are kind of the same color as I've been going. Look at these. So these are a little different. They don't have buckles and such. They're just slides. Not too much of a heel. It looks like suede. I don't think you even need to use cowhide anymore for anything. And there's those. Cute! I like them. I like them a lot. Look, toilet paper is already on the bottom. And having said that, I was only looking for 1, maybe 2 pair of shoes. I think I'm ending up with 4 or 5, which is okay. But I'm super happy with what I ended up with. Okay, you guys remember in the beginning of the video, I put aside a priority box? Well, that's it right there. Anyway, there's the priority box. And here's one of the pairs of shoes that was in there. And these are André something. And I'll put all of the names of the shoes and the prices, the retail prices down below. But, are you okay? Go outside. Later. I knew I was gonna like these and I knew that they would be comfortable. I researched these quite a bit. See? It is a high heel, but super comfortable. Here's that second metallic shoe, which is also Clark's. I am not so sure about these, but I'm going to try them on right this second. Okay, here they are. I have to say, so comfortable. I just don't know about all the gold tones. So, but I like them. I like the feel of them more than I do the look of them. And that is the end of this video on my giant shoe haul. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I learned a lot about shoes. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed but would like to be, please hit that button down. Oops, that's my button hand. Please hit that button down below and you'll see me very soon with more videos. Bye, guys.